Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Lebitso la ka ke nna Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video we're going to be dealing with CurlsQueen human hair clip-in extensions. Oh my goodness guys, they look really amazing. I'm in love. Thank you so much CurlsQueens for sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate it. So guys, CurlsQueen is the leading manufacturer who carries a range of human hair clip-in extensions in different textures from Yaki to Coarse and curl patterns from 3A to 4C, which mimics black natural hair to match our texture. This is so great. Oh my goodness. So no matter where you are on the spectrum guys, CurlsQueens, they've got you covered. And by the way guys, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel as we get into today's video.
Side, you're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight, you're calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Silence speaks so.
Oh my goodness, you guys, it looks like my own hair. Oh my goodness, I love this texture. Oh my gosh, you guys, wow, this is so beautiful guys. This is really beautiful. These are clip-ins. Oh my goodness, look at that guys, it literally looks like my own hair. Look at the texture guys. And you can actually curl this hair, you can straighten it, hair dry it, you can wash it, you can also dye it. Like, this is insane. Wow, CurlsQueen, you came through. Look at the texture. This is so beautiful guys. This is really beautiful.
If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now
Guys, they're not lying when they say one bundle is enough, because look at this. I'm still left with this and I'm literally done. I'm just gonna hair dry this part and guys, and lay my edges. Like, seriously guys, look at this. The quality is out of this world. I'm so excited. It literally looks like my own hair. Like, seriously guys, it is so thick you can't even see through it. It's not a see-through hairpiece, so that's why it's actually enough for like one head. I'm so excited guys. Look at this. This is literally gonna be my go-to hairstyle. Like, I don't want to lie to you guys, I am in love with this. Oh my goodness, let's just hair dry this part and then style it. I'm excited.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head.
Guys, this is beautiful. I don't wanna lie. I look so different. Guys, I love it so much. Look at the fullness. This looks like my real hair. I don't wanna lie to you. It is so beautiful. The texture, the quality, the fullness. This is perfect for black women. I don't wanna lie. Guys, this is legit the best. I wanted to lay edges, but I don't feel like laying edges. I feel like, you know what, this is me, you know, with my real natural hair, if you know what I mean. I also love it straight, but I just want to test it out, you know, so that we can see is this hair gonna hold the curl. Like they say this hair can be curled, right? So we're gonna test it out and see if really this hair can be curled, even though I like it like this. Without any waste of time, let's quickly curl this hair and then let's see if really is this hair gonna hold the curl. Yeah.
Said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes, and please do turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload some, lit content. Okay, bye guys.